If you want to connect Mailchimp with ClickFunnels quickly and without getting lost in the setup, this video is for you. Today I'll walk you through the full process using Zapier so you can automate your lead capture and keep your email list synced with your funnel activity. This is a great setup if you want new ClickFunnels contacts to flow into Mailchimp automatically, saving you time and helping you follow up faster. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Now let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Zapier is the automation platform we'll use to connect ClickFunnels and Mailchimp together. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, click on Create. This is where you start building a new automation, also called a Zap. After that, click on Zaps. That will take you into the area where you can build your workflow from scratch. Now you'll need to choose your trigger. Click on Trigger to begin setting up the event that starts the automation. In the app search bar, type ClickFunnels and click on it when it appears. This tells Zapier that ClickFunnels will be the app that starts the process. Next, you'll need to choose an event. Select the event that makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, depending on your goal, you might want something like a new contact or a form submission. Pick the event that best matches what you want to send into Mailchimp. Once you've selected the trigger event, Zapier will ask you to log in to your ClickFunnels account. Go ahead and sign in, then connect the account you want to use. This step gives Zapier permission to read the selected ClickFunnels activity so it can detect when a new lead or entry comes in. Now it's time to set up the action. Click on Action to add the next step in your automation. The action is what happens after the ClickFunnels trigger is detected. In the app search bar, click on Mailchimp. This tells Zapier that Mailchimp will receive the data from ClickFunnels. Next, choose an event for Mailchimp. Again, select the option that fits your goal. Typically, this is where you'll add a subscriber or update a contact inside your audience. After choosing the event, log into your Mailchimp account so Zapier can connect to it securely. Once both accounts are connected, click on Build It in the top area if needed to continue customizing the workflow. This is where you can map your ClickFunnels fields into Mailchimp fields like email address, first name, last name, or any other data your funnel collects. Take a moment here to make sure everything is matched correctly so your contact information lands in the right place. After your setup is complete, click on Test Run. Testing is important because it lets you confirm that the connection is working before you publish it live. If the test is successful, you'll know your ClickFunnels data is flowing into Mailchimp properly. If everything looks good, the final step is to click Publish. Once published, your automation is active and Mailchimp and ClickFunnels are officially connected through Zapier. From this point on, your funnel activity can automatically send contacts into your email list without you having to do it manually. And that's it, you've now learned how to integrate Mailchimp with ClickFunnels using Zapier. This setup can save you a ton of time and help you stay organized as your business grows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.